Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the packages in OOPS and object-oriented programming. And let's see the first question. Write a program to implement the library information system using packages with the following instructions. Create a books class in package 1. Create an admin class in package 2. Create an user class in package 3. And import the packages in test classes and do the following operations in a menu driven fashion. Add books, search books and list books. Let's see the program. And first one, books. Package 1, public class book, public class bname and public string author, public string edition, public string get bname, return bname and public void set bname, string bname. This dot bname is equals to bname, public string get author, return author, public void set author, string author. This dot author is equals to author, public string get edition, return edition, public void set edition, string edition. This edition is equals to string edition. And let's go to admin. Package 1, package 2, import Java util scanner, public class admin extend books, public void add book b, int n, scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, int I is equals to 0, string op, for int j is equals to n minus 1, j less than is equals to 0, j minus minus, if b name is equals to null and bj dot other is equals to null and bj dot addition is equals to null, I is equals to j, break, int I is equals to 0, system dot out dot println, enter the book name bi dot b name is equals to sc int line, system dot out dot println, enter the author name bi dot author is equals to sc dot next line, system dot out dot println, enter the edition of the book bi dot edition is equals to sc dot next line, public void search books, scanner sc is equals to new scanner, system dot in, scanner sc is equals to new scanner, system dot in, system dot out dot println, enter your way to search. 1 book name, 2 author name, int op is equals to s dot n next, int switch op, case 1, system dot out dot println, enter the book name, string b is equals to sc next line, for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, if b equals ignore case bi bname, system dot out dot println, the required book is, system dot println, the book is bi dot bname, system dot out dot println, the author name is b plus bi dot author, and system dot out dot println, edition is plus bi dot edition, break, case 2, string dot out dot println, enter the author name, string a is equals to sc dot next line, for int is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, if a equals ignore case author, system dot out dot println, the required book is, the system dot out dot println, the book is plus bi name, system dot out dot println, the author name is plus bi author, system dot out dot println, edition is plus bi edition, and break, public void list books b int n, system dot out dot println, list of the books are, for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, if b name is equals to null, bi dot null author is equals to null, bi dot edition is equals to null, system dot out dot println, the book is plus bi dot name bname, system dot out dot println, the author name is plus bi dot author, system dot out dot println, edition is plus bi dot edition, system dot out dot println, and user, import java dot util scanner, import the pkg1 book, public class user extends book public void such books book B into n. Scanner S is equals to new scanner system dot in. Scanner is equal S is equals to new scanner system dot in and system dot print ln. Enter your try to search book name author name int OP is equals to S dot next int switch OP case 1 system dot print ln. Enter the book name and string B is equals to SC next line and for int is equal I is equals to 0 I less than n I plus plus if B equals to ignore case bi dot b name system dot print ln the required book is system dot print ln the book is b plus bi dot b name system dot print the other name is plus bi dot other system dot print ln edition is plus bi dot edition and break case 2 system dot print ln enter the other name string is a is equals to s dot next line for int I is equals to 0 I less than n I plus plus if a dot equals ignore case bi dot order system dot print the required book is system dot print and the book is plus bi dot b name system dot print and the other name is plus bi dot order other system dot print and addition is plus bi dot addition break public void list books bi int n system dot print ln list of the books are for int I is equals to 0 I less than n I plus plus if b is equals to null bi other is equals to null and bi addition is equals to null system dot print ln the book name is plus bi dot b name system dot print ln the order name is plus bi order system dot print ln the addition is plus bi dot addition system dot print ln and let's see the test package experiment 7 import java util scanner public class test public static void main string or string answer 1 string answer 2 string answer 3 string args and SAS is equals to new scanner system dot in scanner SC is equals to new scanner system dot in system dot of int ln enter n and int n is equals to SC dot next int book b new book for int I is equals to 0 I less than n I plus plus bi is equals to new book do system dot print ln 1 admin 2 user into oops next int switch op case 1 admin is ob is equals to new admin do and do system dot print ln the first one add to such 3 print list of books into op1 is equals to next int switch op case 1 op dot add bn break case 2 ob such books bn break case 3 ob list books bn break default system dot print ln invalid choice break and system dot print ln do you want to operate more operation s no answer 1 sc dot next line while answer 1 equals ignore cases s break case 2 user object 1 new user do system dot print ln on such to print list of books into oops op2 is equals to s dot next switch op2 case 1 such books break case 2 list books default system dot print ln invalid choice system dot print ln do you want to more option operation s no while answer equals ignore cases default system dot print invalid choice and do you want to more operation s or no answer 3 next line while answer 3 equals ignore cases and let's run the program and let's run the program and enter n 1 again I am giving admin 1 and add 1 enter the book name a d b and other name s c h and edition of the book 3 and do you want s and use that and again I am going 2 print list 2 and okay guys And let's see the third question. Create an abstract class shape package 1 square and rectangle class in package 2 right triangle and classes in package 3 classes in package 2 and package 3 in inherit shape class. Import all these packages in test class which contains a menu driven program to calculate the various of shapes. And let's see the program. Package 1 public abstract class shape public void area system.out.println area of the shape and square. Package 1 Java util scanner public class square extend shape int a square public square int a this a is equals to a public void area of square plus a star a plus m and rectangle. Package 2 package 1 and import package 1 dot shape public class rectangle extend shape int a1 int l int b public rectangle int l comma int b. This l is equals to l, this b is equals to b. Public void area system dot area of the rectangle plus l into b and circle. Import package 3 import package 1 dot shape import java it is scanner public class circle int r public circle int r. This r is equals to r public void string system dot open area of circle 3.14 star r dot star and triangle. Package 3 import package 1 dot shape public class triangle extend shape int b int h public triangle int b dot comma int h public void area system dot out dot println area of triangle plus 0.5 star b star h. And let's see the test. Import java util scanner package 2 dot square package 2 dot rectangle package 3 dot triangle package 3 dot circle public class test system dot out dot println Ramprasad and scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot int int ch do system dot out dot println enter your choice. 1 area of square 2 area of rectangle 3 area of triangle 4 area of circle 5 exit ch is equals to st dot next int switch ch case 1 system dot out dot println enter the side of the square int a is equals to sc dot next in square object is equals to new square object dot area break case 2 system dot out dot println enter the length of the rectangle int a is equals to sc dot next int system dot out dot println enter the breadth of the rectangle int b is equals to the next int rectangle object is equals to new rectangle a comma b object dot area break case 3 system dot out dot println height of the rectangle int b is equals to sc next int system dot out dot println enter the breadth of the triangle and int h is equals to sc next int and triangle object is equals to new triangle b comma h object dot area break case 4 system dot out dot println enter the radius of the circle int a is equals to sc next int circle of object is equals to new circle a object dot area break while ch is equals to 5 and let's run the program. And let's run the program. And again I am giving number 1 and a side 3 and area of the square 9 and again I am giving number 2 length of the rectangle I am giving 3 and breadth of the rectangle 2 and area of the rectangle c and I am giving 3 height of the triangle 4 and breadth of the triangle 3 and area of the triangle 6 again I am giving 4 radius of the triangle 6 and the area of circle is 113.03999 and 5 exit. Thank you guys by watching my video.